And I am joined with the lovely Rachel, who messaged me today because she was feeling a bit stressed about her children's party. And I know that this is a big issue for a lot of mums. How does it feel for you? What is the strongest feelings coming up for you? And why
Okay,
did you reach out?
so the strongest feeling is feeling of overwhelm
Hmm.
and anxiety. I'm terrified that it's going to be the same thing, even though it's not me taking it and not me running it. And this guy has promised me that anything to 20 children will be, he's totally on it. He's fine. He's, I've heard really good things about him, but my fear is that it's going to end with my son, with the kids not listening, everyone running around like crazy kids, and my son being really upset because he really listens and wants to do the activities. And it seemed that some of the kids are just having fun. I mean, they're just playing. They're just kids, aren't they? And they don't want to maybe sit there and listen to what needs to be said. So there we go, overwhelm and anxiety, and it's on Saturday. So so I thought maybe tapping could help to relax me.
Let's do some tapping. So, for those of you watching who haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it's also known as tapping. And it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. On a scale from 0 to 10, how overwhelmed would you say you feel right now?
A 6 came to mind.
6. Okay.
Yeah, when I think
And
about the party, it's a
yeah.
6.
And anxiety?
That was a 4.
Okay. And where would you say you feel the overwhelm in your body
In my heart.
and the anxiety?
More in my stomach.
Stomach. Okay. So let's do a little bit of tapping. So even though,
Even though.
and for those of you watching, if you're feeling stressed about your child's birthday party, please do tap along with us. Simply do what we do and say what we say. And if you don't like what we do or say, simply don't do it. But by doing it, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. Okay, so even though my son's birthday's on Saturday,
Even though my son's party's on Saturday.
party's on Saturday, and I'm feeling overwhelmed and anxious,
And I'm feeling overwhelmed and anxious.
I soothe and comfort myself.
I soothe and comfort myself.
Even though
Even though
I'm feeling overwhelmed and anxious
I am feeling overwhelmed and anxious
about my son's party,
about my son's party,
I'm open to the possibility
I'm open to the possibility
of allowing these feelings to be present
of allowing these feelings to be present
so that I can start releasing them
so I can start releasing them
and letting them go.
and letting them go.
What are you left with? What's the strongest feeling
Okay,
now?
so the strongest feeling is still the overwhelm, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
That feels like it's come down, maybe a 4 now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the thoughts that's in my head is I just want to get to Sunday. Yeah, I mean I'm still fluttery
Okay.
in my heart.
Okay.
Fear, not overwhelmed, fear.
Okay.
Fear, God. 18 8-year-olds and I'm scared. Okay.
I actually don't blame you. And I'm sure a lot of mums would feel the same way.
Yeah, I know they do.
Even though
Even though
it's only natural
it's only natural
to feel overwhelmed
to feel overwhelmed
having 18 8-year-olds
having 18 8-year-olds.
wandering around my house.
Yeah, not in my house,
Not in
thankfully,
your
this
house,
year. Just,
in
yeah, that
in
I'm
a
looking
hall.
after them. Yeah.
Yeah, looking after
In my
18
care.
8-year-olds in my care.
Yes, 18
Um,
year-olds in my care.
it's not surprising I'm overwhelmed
It's not surprising I'm overwhelmed
and that I have this fear.
and that I have this fear.
And I wonder why us mums put
Yeah.
ourselves through this.
And I wonder why us mums put ourselves through this. Yeah.
It's one of those things
It's one of those things
that many mums dread,
that many mums dread.
and we just keep doing it anyway.
And we keep doing it anyway. So true.
On top of all the other stressful aspects of being a mum,
On top of all the other stressful aspects of being a mum. Yeah.
we try and create the perfect party as well.
We try and create the perfect party as well. Yeah.
And I'm open to the possibility
And I am open to the possibility
of allowing some of this to go.
of allowing some of this to go.
This sense of responsibility.
This sense of responsibility.
This need for them to have a good time.
This need for them to have a good time.
I just want everyone to be happy.
I just want everyone to be happy.
I just want everything to be easy.
I just want everything to be easy.
To flow.
To flow. Oh, I feel a lot better. Yeah.
So just one more. Have you got time to do one more?
Yeah.
So if there was a quality that you could infuse into Saturday that would help you feel calmer, relaxed, more flowing, whatever you need, what quality would that be?
Loving, fun, and calm.
Beautiful. Okay.
Yes.
So put your hands in the center of your chest and say, I want to feel more loving, fun, and calm.
Yeah. I want to feel more loving, fun, and calm.
And take 3 deep breaths.
Wow.
So how are you doing?
I feel amazing.
Oh,
Really
good.
amazing. Yeah, I'm not just saying that. I feel amazing.
That's fantastic.
Thank you so much.